Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Dodge Avenger. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front fog lights, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.